Hello everyone, so today we're going to add and then subtract rational algebraic expressions, but this time we're going to get the sum and then difference of a dissimilar rational expressions. So we have 4 steps to follow. Number 1, we're going to find the LCD. Number 2, we're going to use the LCD to express the rational expressions as similar rational expressions. Then number 3, we're going to add or subtract the numerators of the similar rational expressions. The number 4, whenever possible, reduce the resulting expressions to its simplest terms. Okay, so let us have an example. Let us add and then subtract dissimilar rational expressions. Now, let's say we have number 1, 5 over a plus 3 over ab plus 1 over abc. So, first step is we're going to find the LCD. So, we have here 3 denominators. We have a, we have ab, and then we have abc. So, we're going to factor the denominators. So, for the first denominator, which is a, so let us factor that. We have a, that is a times 1, right? So, for the second denominator, this one, so we have ab. So, factors are a times b. Or you can write here 1 also. Or a times b. The next, we have for ABC, okay, is 1. So, factors are a times b times c, okay? So, let us find the LCD here. So, as you can see, we have here common factor, which is a. So, we write here a. Then, another common factor, which is b, so times b. And then last, we have here c. So, our LCD, or the least common denominator, is ABC, okay? So, what are you going to do is, you're going to write the denominator, write the LCD, we have ABC, okay? Then after that, let us divide, okay? So, ABC divided by A, we have BC only. Because if we're going to write ABC divided by A, so let us cancel A, because A divided by A is 1, so we have here only BC. So, this BC, you're going to multiply it by 5, okay? So, we have here 5 BC. Then, plus this one, ABC. So, we have ABC divided by AB. So, we're going to cancel A, then also B. So, we have only C. So, this C, you're going to multiply it by 3. Okay? So, we have C times 3, we have 3C. Then plus ABC, this one, ABC divided by ABC. So that is 1, right? So, and then multiply it by 1, this one. So that is 1 plus 1. The next, what is the next step? So as you can see, we cannot combine the numerators because they are not similar terms. We have 5BC plus 3C plus 1. Then, over ABC, and that's the answer. Okay? So, that's it. Next number 2. Okay? So, number 2, let's say we have 5x minus 2 over 3 plus x plus 3 over 6. So, we're going to factor. I'm going to factor the denominators. We have 3. So, factors are 3 times 1, right? Then, 6. Factors are, we have 2 times 3. Okay? Or 3 times 2. Or 3 times 2 times 1. So, as you can see, if we're going to get the LCD, we have, the common factor here is 3, right? And then, we have a unique factor, which is 2. So, we have 2 times 3, that is 6. Okay? So, we have here 6. Okay? The next, we're going to divide 6 divided by 3. So, we have 2. Times 5x minus 2. So, we have 2. We have 2 times 5x minus 2. Then, this one, plus 6 divided by 6 is 1 times x plus 3. So, we have x plus 3. Okay? The next, we have to simplify the numerator. We have 2 times 5x. So, that is 10x, right? Then, 2 times 2. We have 4. So, minus 4. Then, plus x plus 3 over 6. Then, if we're going to combine similar terms, we have 10x and then x. So, that is 11x, right? So, we have 11x. Then, negative 4 plus 3. So, that is negative 1. Then, over 6. So, this is the answer. 11x minus 1 over 6. Next, number 3. Let's say we have 2 over 2a plus 4 minus 5a over a squared plus 2a. Okay, so as you can see, they are dissimilar rational expressions because the denominators are not the same. Okay? So, what are you going to do is you have to factor the denominators. We have 2a plus 4. So, that is 2 times a plus 2. Okay? So, as you can see, to get the factors, you're going to get the common monomial factor of 2a and then 4. And that is 2, right? So, after that, 2a divided by 2, you're going to divide it by the common monomial factor, which is 2. So, 2a divided by a is a only. Okay, which is now the first term of the new factor. And then, we have 4 divided by 2. So, that is 2, right? So, 4 divided by 2. We have 2. So, this is now the next term of the other factor. So, next. For the second denominator, which is a squared plus 2a. Okay, as you can see, the common factor here is a, right? So we have a. Then, since that you have now the common factor, which is a, you divide a squared divided by a to get the other factor. So that is a only. Because if you're going to simplify this, you're going to subtract the numerators, the exponent of the numerator. So 2 minus 1, we have 1, okay? So we have here 1. And also, if you're going to multiply a times a, that is a squared, right? Okay, next. For the second term, we have 2a, this one, divided by a. So, of course, you're going to remove a. So, we have only 2, right? So, plus 2. So, we have plus 2. Okay? Okay. Then, we have now, what? The factors of the denominator, and therefore, we can get now the LCD. Okay? So, we have a unique factor, which is 2. Another unique factor, which is a. So, we have 2a times. We have common factor, which is, the common factor is a plus 2, right? Okay. So, we have times a plus 2. Now, it is better if we're going to make use of the LCD, which is in the factored form, or which is in a factored form, right? So, we have here the LCD, which is 2a times a plus 2, right? But before that, let us factor this one. Okay, let us remove this first. Okay, let us factor this. We have 2 over 2 factors of 2a plus 4. We have 2 times a plus 2. Okay? Then minus 5a over the factors of this are a times a plus 2. Okay? So, let us now proceed. We're going to copy the LCD, which is 2a times a plus 2. Okay, then after that, we're going to divide this one. 2a times a plus 2 divided by 2 times a plus 2. So, we have 2a times a plus 2 divided by 2 times a plus 2. This one, this 2. Okay? Then, that is equal to, let us now cancel 2 and then a plus 2. So, we have here a only. Then, after that, this 1a, you're going to multiply it by the numerator 2. So, we have 2a. Then, minus 2a times a plus 2 divided by a times a plus 2. So, we have 2a times a plus 2 divided by a times a plus 2. This one. Okay? So, we're going to cancel a. Okay? And then we have a plus 2. So, we only have now a 2, rather. Then, you're going to copy 2 times 5a. Then, we have here 2a times a plus 2. This one, we have 2a minus 2 times 5a. So, we have 10a. Okay. Then, 2a minus 10a, that is negative 8a. Then, over 2a times a plus 2. Okay, so here in this case, we can now divide 8a over 2a because since that they are now in factor form, we have 2a and then a plus 2. We can simplify negative 8a and then 2a. So that is negative 4 over, okay, so negative 8 divided by 2, so common factor is 2, so negative 8 divided by 2, that is negative 4, right? Then cancel 2, because 2 divided by 2 is 1, then a also. So we have only now here negative 4 over a plus 2, or that is negative 4 over a plus 2. Okay? Next, number 4. Number 4, let's say we have 5 over x minus y, then plus 3 over y minus x. So here in this case, you're going to, as you can see, we have x minus y and then y minus x. So let us copy 5 over x minus y and then plus 3 over, we all know that if we're going to multiply it by negative 1, y minus x, if we're going to multiply by negative 1, the result is negative 1 times y. We have negative y, right? Then negative 1 times negative x, that is positive x, which is x minus y. So as you can see, they are now similar denominators, right? So what are you going to do is, you're going to write here negative 1 times y minus x, or that is, let us rearrange, we have x minus y. Okay? Then, okay, we're going to multiply, as you can see, negative 1 times x, we have negative x. Then negative 1 times y, we have positive y. So that's correct. Then, since that they are now common or similar rational expressions because they have the same denominator, so let us just copy x minus y. Then, let us divide x minus y divided by x minus y. So that is 1, right? Times 5, we have 5. So 5. Then plus x minus y divided by x minus y. So that is 1, right? Times negative 1. So that is negative 1. Times 3. Okay? So we have negative 1 times 3. So, copy 5. Then negative 1 times 3, we have negative 3 minus x minus y. Or over x minus y rather. So, 5 minus 3, that is 2. Then over x minus y. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay. Next, number 5. Number 5, we have 3 over x squared minus y squared minus 2 over x plus y. So, let us now factor the first denominator, which is x squared minus y squared. So, that is, let us make it, okay, let us factor x squared minus y squared. So, this is a difference of 2 squares. So, factors are x plus y and then x minus y. So, factors are sum and difference of the square root of the first and then the second term. Then, for the second denominator, we have x plus y. So, x plus y, that is equal to x plus y times 1, right? So, for the LCD, common factor is x plus y, and then unique factor is x minus y. So, here, if we're going to write this, okay, in factored form, the denominator, so we have 3 over x plus y, and then x minus y. Then, minus 2 over x plus y. Then, after that, LCD, we all know that the LCD is x plus y, and then x minus y, right? Let us now divide. X plus y divided times x minus y divided by this one, divided by x plus y, and then x minus y. So, that is 1, right? Times 3, so we have 3. Then, minus, because of this, so minus this one. X plus y times x minus y divided by x plus y. So, we can cancel this. We have only that is x minus y, right? So, times 2. So, we have 2 times x minus y. Okay? Then, we have here now 3 minus 2 times x. We have 2x. Then, 2 times y, negative 2 times y. We have positive 2y. Then, over x plus y, then x minus y. Okay, so here, if you want that your answer is in factored form, so this is the answer. But then, if you want that your answer is in product form, the denominator is in a product form, so that is 3. You can write 3 minus 2x plus 2y over x squared minus y squared. Okay. So, that's it. Okay. So, that's it for today. I know that you learned now how to add and then subtract the similar rational expressions. So, just like, if you have comments, if you have questions, just comment below. Please subscribe also, and don't forget to click the notification button for more videos and updates. Thank you.